Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Talk chaos to me. Chaos in the blood. Your small black talk sounds like womp, 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 womp.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
It's voting season. The agenda is set in. Wag the dog is in full effect. The media is stirring your conversation. The automatons are heating up. You go over to your people's house and the first thing they ask you, did you vote? The Matrix has set in. The illusion is so alive to the Walking Dead. How about those Lakers? What about them Rays? Corona, second wave. Talk chaos to me. When I hear from you, all I want to hear is, when I did this beach ritual, I manifested a new car in a week. The time I fasted for 3 days, my astral experience was off the chain. When I took 2 shots of the 3 sisters and went into meditation, 3 sisters sure came and they had a party on my ass. Black Lives Matter? No, chaos beings fucking up matter. Don't talk black to me. Talk chaos with me. The spirit is always relevant and showing its hand in the matrix. You just have to be able to decipher and see the codes your higher self and ancestors are trying to relay to you. We are bombarded with programming that wants to talk about the mundane and fear stories. We're setting new rules, moving in another boat. When we speak chaos, family, talk chaos to me. Talk chaos to me. Talk chaos to me.
Message.
When you speak to the automatons, it's okay to kiki and make jokes about the Cowboys, talk about Donald Trump and how he's destroying the world. Stay on code with the automaton beings. But when you see me and you see other chaos family, talk chaos to me. Talk chaos to me. Talk chaos to me. Dreamwise.
And you'll never see me coming.